What's up, guys? I want to show you in less than 3 minutes how to monetize your TikTok account. Now, before you monetize, there's just a few things you really need to know. Yes, TikTok is still one of the hottest things out there right now, and that's why you need to jump on something like this. You need to know the criteria, and I've got it written right here. It says you've got to be at least 18 years old, okay? You have to have at least 10,000 followers, and in the past 30 days from when you applied, you must have at least 1,000 video views. Now, your videos must be a minute or longer, and I suggest that you do at least, I'd say, a minute to a minute and a half if you want to really kind of go with averages. You've got to post at least 3 videos in the previous 30 days before you apply. Okay, so here we go, less than 3 minutes. Let's talk about what we need to do. Number 1, find an interesting topic. What's a topic that you think will go well with TikTok? You can go to TikTok and you can see what's on there and your, pages that are being advertised to or showed to you daily, and you'll know right away what people are looking for. I always find interesting topics that have to do with history, that have to do with entertainment, and this is where we can start to use, ChatGPT. Find things that are already working well and basically use ChatGPT to rewrite the topic, okay? This is ChatGPT. Now, what I've decided to do was rewrite something I saw in the form of a blog, a couple blogs actually, and I rewrote it, and then what I can do is add to it as well. I want at least 200 words. I'm going to say 200, 250 words, and that's going to help me kind of rewrite this before I do the next step. So ChatGPT is what I'm going to use to rewrite basically the topic. Then I'm going to go to 11 Labs, and it's here where I can actually take the script now and actually turn it into a voiceover. That's if I don't want to use my own voice. Yes, you can use your own voice, but if I don't want to, then I can use 11 Labs very easily. They've got a lot of great options with different types of voices. If you don't like it, you can try out a different voice. Okay, once you've used 11 Labs for the voiceover, then you can go to Pictory. This is a software that is very easy to use. We can go text to video. So what we'll do is take the script, we'll dump it in here, and then it will find images, stock footage, to put together so that we can essentially have a short video that looks really good. Okay, so now we've got the script. We're going to go to proceed once we have the information in there. And then because we wanted to go ahead and analyze everything, it creates a storyboard. And then we're going to just make sure that we create it as a short. So now we'll click here where it says landscape, and we'll turn that into portrait. Now that we have it in portrait mode, we can go to audio. We'll click this off because we don't want any background music right now. We'll go to voiceovers. Actually, we're going to go to my uploads. We'll grab what we got from 11 Labs. Click the apply button here, and we're going to click it to the entire video. And then it will render everything down. Once done, you'll get to watch the video, and then if you decide that it's in good shape and that's what you want to use, you can go ahead and click download here that you can see in the right-hand corner. That's it. Guys, I hope this video was helpful, and be sure to subscribe for more videos just like this. See you in the next video.